Back to the grip shifter. Did I make the right decision? The Track 930 Singletrack was originally equipped with the 7-speed grip shifters in the 1990s. Today I'm going to replace the current thumb shifters with this 8-speed grip shifter. Is grip shift any good? Instead of using thumbs and fingers, with grip shift, you twist the grip shifter with your palm to shift gears. Your fingers stay on the grip all the time. Twist forward to go high gears and backward to go low gears. To set up the grip shifter, the brake lever has to go in first. The grip shifter goes after it and takes a portion of the grip. So if you are installing with a regular or lock-on grip, the grip has to be cut down first in order to fit properly. I use a sharp tool like scissor to score the outside rubber of the grip, and then use a jab saw to cut down the inside too. The fitment is great. Next thing is to adjust the shifter.